I'm going to walk you through smart money tactics for affiliate marketing. Now, this video is perfect for beginners looking to make their first commission online. Affiliate marketing is one of the most simplest and the most scalable ways to make money online because it doesn't require you to create your own products or handle customer service. You are simply recommending products and earning commission for every sale guaranteed through your unique link. Let's break down what affiliate marketing is. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you, as the affiliate, promote someone else's products or services. In return, you earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. How affiliate marketing works. Now, let's take a closer look at how affiliate marketing works in practice. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's super flexible. You can promote products from almost any niche, from fashion, tech, fitness, and finance. Now let me break it down for you step by step. First step, join affiliate program. This could be through major networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or individual companies that offer affiliate programs directly. Number two, get your affiliate link. After joining, you receive a custom link that tracks every sale back to you. Number three, promote your link. You can share this link on your blog, YouTube channel, social media platforms, or via emails. Then the last part is earning commission. When someone clicks on your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. Now, commissions can range from 4% to 50% depending on the program and the product. Step number three, choosing the right affiliate program. Stop wasting time on promoting products that are not worth it. One of the keys to success with affiliate marketing is choosing the right affiliate program. Not all programs are created equal. It is important to pick the ones that fit your niche and offer good commission rates. When you are selecting an affiliate program, always consider these three things. 1. Product quality. Sometimes promote products you personally believe in. If you wouldn't use it yourself, why would you recommend it? There's no point of promoting a product that you cannot use it yourself. Number two, commission rates. Some programs pays as little as 4%, while others offer up to 50%. If you're going to put in the effort, aim for programs with higher payouts. The last part is cookie duration. This is how long the affiliate program tracks the customer's activity after clicking your link. The longer the cookie duration, the better. For example, Amazon offers 24-hour cookie, while some other programs offer 30 to even 90 days cookie. Amazon is a great starting point for beginners, but programs like ClickBank, CG Affiliate might offer higher commission. Find what works best for your niche. Step number 4, finding a niche. Now let's talk about how to find a niche. This is a specific topic or market you will focus on, and it is crucial because a clear niche helps you attract a more engaged audience. This is how we find a niche. Step number 1, passion and interest. Choose a niche you are passionate about or already have knowledge in. It is easier to create content and stay motivated. Number 2, profitability. Check if the niche has products with good commission rates and enough demand. You want to promote things people are actually buying. Then the last part is audience demand. Use tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to see what people are searching for in your niche. For example, if you are into fitness, you could promote products like workout gear, supplements, fitness, or courses. If tech, your thing might be focus on gadgets, software. The more focused your niche is, the easier it is to build a loyal audience. Number 5, creating content to promote your affiliate links. Now that you have chosen affiliate program or niche, let's talk about creating content to promote your affiliate links. The key to successful affiliate marketing is delivering value to your audience through helpful content. Here are the top types of content you can create. Number 1, product reviews. Write detailed reviews about the products you promote. Focus on benefits and personal experiences. Number 2, how-to guides. These are tutorials that show how to use a product. You can include your affiliate link as part of a recommended tool or a solution. Number 3, comparison articles. Compare 2 or more products and explain which one is the best choice. These are great for people in a decision-making process. Number 4, YouTube videos. Videos are an excellent way to promote affiliate products, whether it is unboxing, reviewing, or how-to tutorial. Make sure to include affiliate links in your description. Step number 6, smart money tactics to maximize your earnings. Now here's where the smart money tactics comes in. These strategies will help you maximize your affiliate marketing earnings. Step number 1, search engine optimization. Make sure your blog posts, videos, or social media posts are optimized for search engines. Use keywords that people are searching for and include them in your titles, description, and tags. This helps drive organic traffic to your content. Number 2, email marketing. Build an email list of people who are interested in your niche. You can send them helpful tips, product recommendation, and of course, your affiliate link. Email marketing is one of the best ways to get recurring commission. Number 3, use analytics. Track which affiliate links and content that are driving conversions. Tools like Google Analytics or the affiliate programs dashboard will show you which strategies are working. And now that's how simple it is. The better your promotion tactics, the more sales you'll make and the higher your commissions.